We've seen plenty of laser distance meters come across our desk, yet the Mileseey S50C immediately catches our attention. Positioned as a flagship upgrade in the Green Revolution lineup, it takes a different approach by going well beyond the traditional laser dot. With an integrated camera, vivid display, and impressive long-range targeting, it gives users much greater control when measuring outdoors. Instead of simply competing with bigger measurement ranges, the S50C changes the way we aim, confirm, and record readings over long distances in real-world working conditions. So, let's take a closer look at what it can actually do. Beginning with the screen, this is easily one of the device's biggest strengths. It runs on a 2.4-inch AMOLED panel, offering 450 by 600 resolution and a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Touch controls are supported here too, as noted earlier, but what stands out even more is the flexibility built in. For anyone who prefers physical buttons, the touch function can be switched on or off at will. Right away, that flexibility sets it apart. Even under midday sun, the screen stays perfectly legible without any need to shield it or reposition the unit. Auto brightness handles the shift between indoor and outdoor lighting on its own, removing any manual guesswork. An anti-fingerprint coating covers the glass as well. Even after a full day of use on a dusty job site, the display stays smudge-free without repeated wiping. The interface itself is straightforward, with oversized fonts and quick access to essential functions, keeping navigation effortless. Next comes the Vision X camera system, and this is the feature that truly transforms how long-range measurements are taken with the S50C. It pairs a 2-megapixel HD camera offering 8x digital zoom with a dynamic aiming algorithm. That algorithm keeps the on-screen crosshair locked to the actual point where the laser lands. This tackles a genuine problem. At greater distances, roughly 80 to 200 meters, confirming the laser's landing spot visually becomes tricky. Reflective facades, dark concrete, and cavernous warehouse interiors only make tracking harder. Vision X solves this by letting us zoom in, line the crosshair up precisely on target, and confirm the shot right on screen before locking in the reading. No need for a second person, and no need to walk the distance back and forth. One position is all it takes to finish the measurement. AI-driven image processing also assists in dim or backlit settings, keeping the system reliable well beyond bright daylight conditions. As a result, effective range stretches to 200 meters, unlocking measurements of much larger structures and sites. Turning to construction, the S50C's housing pairs engineering-grade plastic with an aluminum-magnesium alloy base underneath. That metal base delivers rock-solid footing. Set it on a level surface or mounted to a tripod, and it holds its position without any rocking or drifting. That detail carries more weight than it seems. Even a slight shift at the base can throw off readings at longer ranges on a job site. The grip itself is properly textured, something you'll notice instantly while wearing work gloves. Even with dusty hands, it holds firm without sliding. A measurement button sits right where your thumb naturally lands, letting you fire off a reading without glancing at the display. The touchscreen operates right alongside those physical controls too, so you're never limited to just one method. Both are available whenever you need them. Ruggedness carries through the rest of the design. An IP65 rating means it's completely dust-sealed and can withstand direct water jets, so downpours, hose downs, damp concrete job sites, and general outdoor exposure all fall well within its comfort zone. It's also built to survive a 2-meter drop, adding extra reassurance for demanding site conditions. Internally, a dedicated heat dissipation structure keeps performance steady during extended sessions in direct sun, where stability becomes just as critical as precision. A 2,400 milliamp-hour battery backs it up, delivering as much as 6 hours of continuous runtime, plenty to get through a full shift in most scenarios. Recharging is handled through USB-C, meaning there's no oddball charger to hunt down, just a standard cable you probably already carry. The laser relies on power burst technology, using an ultra-wideband modulated green beam. Green light registers as roughly 4 times more visible to human eyes than red at matching output, and that gap makes a real difference outdoors. Under harsh sun, through dust, in fog, or against dark and reflective surfaces, the green beam holds steady where red typically weakens or flickers out. That consistency cuts down on repeat readings and unreliable results. Precision is rated at ±1 millimeter, with a display capable of showing resolution down to 0.1 millimeters. It also arrives factory calibrated, ready for immediate use straight out of the box. Point-to-point measurement addresses another common side issue. Rather than measuring from one surface to another, it lets us capture the distance between 2 arbitrary points instead. That covers structural edges, beams, columns, or any reference markers spread across open areas. In real terms, this means heights, spans, and structural distances can be measured without ladders or elevated platforms. We simply stay grounded, align the shot, and record it directly, improving both safety and speed on site. The S50C ships with 18 measurement algorithms built in. The ones used most often include single distance measurement, continuous tracking, area calculation, volume calculation, and Pythagorean mode. Pythagorean mode lets us calculate a distance that can't be reached directly. 2 accessible points are all that's needed, and the device figures out the remaining distance itself. 4 reference benchmarks are also available: front edge, back edge, side laser, and tripod base, giving the tool the flexibility to adjust to whatever position you're measuring from, rather than forcing you to adjust around it. On the storage side, it holds up to 1,000 data entries and photo records right on the device, plenty for a full day of site surveying without pausing to offload data. For connectivity, Bluetooth 5.1 links up with both the Mileseey app and Magic Plan, letting measurements flow straight into digital floor plans without any manual entry required. Having put the S50C through its paces in various settings, its purpose comes through clearly. This isn't a tool built for light indoor use or casual jobs. It's engineered for outdoor work, extended distances, in conditions where visibility, stability, and precision have to hold up on the very first try. The green laser holds visibility where red models fall short. The camera system takes the guesswork out of long-range shots. The AMOLED screen stays crisp under direct sunlight. IP65 protection and drop resistance keep it dependable on real job sites. Every element points towards the same goal: getting an accurate reading on the very first attempt, no matter how tough the surrounding conditions are. If you're considering picking one up, pre-orders are live now. Check the link in the description to lock in the early bird pre-order price while it lasts. And that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tool content, and share your thoughts or experience with the Mileseey S50C in the comments below.